In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a liftgate support on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located behind the rear hatch. You want to lift the tailgate up all the way, take something to support it, because once you take that actuator out, your tailgate is going to want to swing down, so you want to support it. Take your pick, pull back that clip, take your screwdriver and pry towards you. Same thing, pull that tab and pull towards you and set it aside. On your liftgate support rod, you're going to see on the bottom it says to the body. Obviously you're going to put this to your body. Push and clip, come up top, push and clip. After your lift support is installed, you can take your bottle jack out. After you remove your bottle jack, you can hit your button. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.